Cardano has been on an absolute surge over the last week, skyrocketing almost 7%. But now we need to talk about some things that are inevitable because, guys, with all good, there is bad. But this is not intended to be FUD. Just 3 things that I'm watching for within my Cardano holdings. I want to share with you guys in this video. So make sure you guys all stick around till the end. Smash that like button as well if you have not yet done so. Also, follow on X and subscribe down below to YouTube. All good things happening here on the channel. I appreciate each and every one of you guys being a part of Not Your Father's Capital and returning. But let's get down into it, guys. And this is what we're seeing. And as always, guys, not financial advice. So do your own research and due diligence with everything crypto and financial. But we're looking at this weekly 7% surge with Cardano. And there's 3 things that we need to be watching, okay? The first thing, guys, this is if Cardano can even go even higher, right? We've seen it almost trade, and some people like to classify it as a stable coin. I've held Cardano for 5 years, and I have no gains, no returns. Well, then maybe it's just not the crypto for you. But if I believe in a 2030 mindset for Cardano, then that's my own personal thoughts, and that's kind of how I'm going to talk to you guys about this. But we're looking at number 1, and the key resistance that we see. This is where you see this 46 cents support level that we've found within Cardano. Now, when we got to 60 cents, guys, that is where we need to establish the new high for 2024, okay? And then on top of that, guys, the bullish momentum is intensifying. This is where we've seen the RSI, which is a huge indicator in terms of that bullish or bearish momentum. And this is placing Cardano in the bullish territory, okay? And this chart right here is showing this number get as high as above 60, and really showing how Cardano continues this momentum upwards. Now, I'm going to show you guys a trading view. We're going to take a quick dive into that towards the end of this video, and I'll give you guys my thoughts before we get on our way. And then lastly, the buy volume is making higher highs, okay? We see the bulls in control. The volume is showing that Cardano is getting in money. They're taking in money. And as long as we have this, this is something where the price is going to continue to show this trend. If we can break above that 60 cents resistance, buyers will have to show more strength like we saw back towards the end of 2023. Okay, now why am I telling you guys all this? Well, if I'm into Cardano for the long haul, right, 2030 mindset, we're talking $10 ADA, okay? That's something where we look at 60 cents, and it's just a kick in the bucket, relatively speaking. Not even 1/20th of where we're trying to get to, basically. But I'm more bullish on Cardano just solely for the fact that I think it's truly undervalued at this moment in time. I think what they're bringing to the table in terms of the layer ones that are absolutely having their day, on the blockchain in terms of growth. We see the likes of Solana, Cardano, just to name a couple. You can even go even further within Avalanche, HBAR. Its list goes on and on and on. Okay, there is a ton of solid crypto plays out there for 2024, 2025, and beyond. But within Cardano, guys, I tell you in all my videos, it's my largest holding within crypto. Just how it shakes out. We talk about Bitcoin being the smartest long-term investment. But with Cardano, guys, where I was buying Cardano at 20, 25 cents earlier last year, and even so back when I bought it at around the all-time highs years ago, it's really important to understand now that my basis is basically averaged out. Now we're ready to run. We're ready to run, and this is where Cardano absolutely can spread its wings, okay? But I do want to take a quick dive into the chart as it relates to Cardano. We're going to look at the 1-hour candles here. Let me just get it pulled up on my screen because this is where we're seeing Cardano, and I don't think this chart is actually right. So let me pull up a different one for you guys. This is where we look into Cardano. Yeah, that's more likely. Okay, so this is what we're going to look at. These are 1-hour candles, guys. If we look into the trading view, you can see exactly what I'm talking about. Cardano trading at 61 cents as we currently stand. A huge momentum up that we got essentially gathering itself in this incredible run-up, guys. You can see this back at 47 cents back here on Wednesday, February 7th. And this is another segue into my indicator that I've been using to trade crypto. Guys, it simply works. For a little over $1 a day, you cannot go wrong using this indicator. Look at these gains, guys. 25% over just an 8-day period in gains. It sniffed out that momentum coming up from Cardano around the 47 cents level, and now we're currently at that 61 cents, trading very, very nicely and looking extremely bullish. And this is where we look at Cardano, guys. It's something where this could just be it. This could be the start. And obviously, if you've had some runs along the way, you want to take profits, obviously that's your own prerogative. Please make all your decisions yourself when it regards your crypto trading. But this is where using a trading indicator like XT Algo allows you to see some of these potential moves before they actually happen. And it takes a more conservative approach. It's not a crystal ball. It's not a genie in a bottle. But guys, it simply works. And for a little over $1 a day, you can't go wrong. So I'm going to put my link down below in the description. That'll give you 20% off for signing up, as well as a 30-day money-back guarantee. You don't like it, Mark, I hate it. It stinks. It doesn't work. Just try it for 30 days, money back guarantee, no questions asked. But that's what I use on every one of my crypto trades before I enter a trade, exit a trade, or just want to reaffirm a position I'm in. I always turn to my indicator on the trading view. That's what it's there for, and it simply works. So all good things happening with Cardano. This is where we look at the time of recording. You can't really deny the fact that Cardano above 60 cents is not a bad thing. Okay, so that's what I have. I hope you guys are all doing well. Let's continue to move this trek into the green. I hope you guys all consider subscribing down below. Smashing that like button really does help us here on YouTube, and we'll see you guys all in the next video. Cheers.